The Eero blinking blue light is a status indicator on Eero mesh Wi-Fi routers, signaling that the device is in setup mode or attempting to pair with other nodes. This transitional phase is typically encountered during initial configuration, when adding a new satellite, or after a network reset. It's important to differentiate this from a solid white light, which indicates a fully connected and operational node, or a solid blue light, which signifies booting up or a firmware update. The blinking blue light is not necessarily an error, but rather a signal to guide the user through the setup or pairing process. If this light persists, it could indicate a deeper underlying issue, such as poor signal strength or potential firmware corruption. But in most cases, it can be resolved through simple troubleshooting steps. If your Eero node is exhibiting a persistent blinking blue light, the first step is to ensure that the Eero app on your mobile device is updated to the latest version. This is often the most common fix. Next, power cycle the affected Eero node by unplugging it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Allow a few minutes for the node to reboot and attempt to pair. If the light persists, try moving the node closer to the gateway Eero to improve signal strength during the pairing process. If the issue remains unresolved, consider connecting the node to the network using an Ethernet cable for a wired backhaul connection, which can provide a more stable link. As a final step, if all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset of the Eero node. To do this, locate the reset button on the device and hold it down for approximately 15 seconds until the light begins to blink red. After the reset, re-add the node through the Eero app. According to user reports, these steps resolve the blinking blue light in the vast majority of cases.